On that day, a fountain will be opened to the house of David and the inhabitants of Jerusalem to cleanse them from sin and impurity. On that day, I will banish the names of the idols from the land, and they will be remembered no more.
Declares the Lord Almighty.
I will remove both the prophets and the spirit of impurity from the land. And if some still prophesy, their fathers and mothers to whom they were born will say to them, "You must die, because you have told lies in the Lord's name." When they prophesy, their own parents will stab them. On that day, the prophets will all be ashamed of their prophetic visions. They will not put on a prophet's garment of hair in order to deceive. Every one of them will say,
I am not a prophet. I am a farmer. The land has been my livelihood since my youth.
If someone asks, "What are these wounds on your body?" they will answer,
The wounds I was given at the house of my friends.
"Awake, sword, against my shepherd, against the man who is close to me."
Declares the Lord Almighty.
Strike the shepherd, and the sheep will be scattered, and I will turn my hand against the little ones. In the whole land,
Declares the Lord.
2/3 will be struck down and perish, yet 1/3 will be left in it. This third I will bring into the fire. I will refine them like silver and test them like gold. They will call on my name, and I will answer them. I will say, "They are my people," and they will say,
The Lord is our God.